Sat Shri Akal everyone. Welcome back to Learn Punjabi with Punjabi Charm podcast. Today we have got a special episode on expressing one of the most beautiful sentiments in any language, gratitude. Yes, we are talking about saying thank you in Punjabi. So let's dive in. In Punjabi, just like in any language, there are different ways to express thanks. Whether it's a casual chat with a friend or more formal situation, knowing how to say thank you is essential. The most common way to say it in Punjabi is Tanwad. Tanwad. Let's practice. You can repeat after me. Tanwad. Tanwad. Great. Now imagine you just received a gift from a friend. You can simply say Tanwad. Eh bahut sona hai. Meaning, thank you. This is very beautiful. Tanwad. Ehe means this. Bahut means very. Sona means beautiful. Hai. Tanwad. Ehe bahut sona hai. Let's practice. You can repeat after me. Tanwad. Ehe bahut sona hai. Once more. Tanwad. Ehe bahut sona hai. Great. Sometimes a simple thank you doesn't quite capture how grateful you feel. For those times, you might want to say bahut tanwad, which is like saying thank you very much. Here bahut means very, and in Punjabi to emphasize on something, we repeat the word bahut tanwad. Very thank you. So thank you very much. Let's practice that. You can repeat after me. bahut tanwad. Bahut tanwad. Great. And for those moments when someone does something really kind for you, you might want to acknowledge their kindness. In that case, you can say Tuhaddi miherbani, means it's your kindness. This is a beautiful way to thank someone deeply. Let's practice it. You can repeat after me. Tuhaddi miherbani. Tuhaddi miherbani. Amazing job, everyone. In this first part of saying thank you in Punjabi, we have covered Tanwad, bahut tanwad, and Tuhaddi miherbani. There are few other ways to express gratitude in Punjabi that I will cover in the next episode. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it will become. So keep practicing and don't forget to spread the joy of Punjabi. For more Punjabi learning content, don't forget to join me on Instagram and check out my website www.punjabicharm.com. Links are in the description below. This is Gurmeet signing off from Punjabi Charm podcast. See you in the next episode. Keep learning Punjabi. Tanwad.